Capricor Therapeutics is trending after the company released highly positive top-line results from its pivotal HOPE-3 Phase 3 trial for Deramiocel, sending an immediate wave of excitement through the biotech community. The readout, which dropped early in the December 3, 2025 trading session, confirmed that the therapy delivered statistically significant benefits across both primary and key secondary endpoints in a 105 patient study focused on Duchenne muscular dystrophy associated cardiomyopathy. The data highlighted several major wins: a 54% slowing of skeletal muscle disease progression, signaling meaningful preservation of functional ability; 91% preservation of LVEF, a critical measure of cardiac function and one of the FDA's highest priority endpoints in DMD cardiomyopathy; consistent safety and tolerability, reinforcing the profile seen in earlier HOPE-2 and HOPE-2 OLE data. Investors immediately zeroed in on the LVEF results, as cardiac decline is one of the leading causes of mortality in DMD. A treatment capable of preserving heart function at this magnitude stands out in a field with few effective options. The strong concordance between Phase 2 and Phase 3 further strengthens the case for regulatory confidence. Capricor also confirmed plans to submit the HOPE-3 package to regulators, putting the company on track for a potential BLA resubmission in early 2026. This aligns with the timeline many analysts expected after Capricor's recent regulatory interactions, which already hinted at a clearer approval pathway. The market reacted swiftly. Trading volumes surged during regular hours as momentum traders, biotech funds, and retail investors piled in, anticipating a stronger negotiating position for Capricor heading into next year's regulatory milestones. The data also adds fuel to broader enthusiasm around neuromuscular therapy advancements, with investors drawing parallels to high profile wins in gene therapy and rare disease biologics. With statistically significant efficacy, cardiac preservation, and an established safety profile, the HOPE-3 results position Deramiocel as one of the most promising emerging treatments in DMD, and potentially a major upcoming regulatory story for 2026.
So CAPR is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend. Its 200-day moving average sloping bearishly lower, so it's currently up 6.943%. The algos, the extrapolation we have here is spot on because it's saying that today it's going to be up, and that's what we're looking at right now. The question is, it's saying that it's going to continue to print high prices in a volatile manner, at least up till the 30th of December. Um, yeah, is that what's going to be the case? We don't exactly know. Already, it has been halted in this session as well. It's been halted. Let me show you. You must have seen it already. It has already had a halt. Yeah, people were may have scrambled to get in on the stock. Yeah, on in this pre-market session, you can see trading halts happened here. So um, yeah, let's see now. In terms of projections, let's see what we have. Nothing to the upside currently. 4.89, 4.26, 3.87. But indeed, there's ample room to the upside. Yeah, there's been Fibonacci projections that have been printed. A lot of pivotal projections we have here. 7.16. We have here 9.86. Here we have 10.89. Here we have here 11.54. These pivotal projections, if it closes above them, then the probability of it advancing towards high prices improves. So it has ample room to the upside. Let's see the 4-hour chart, which is currently active right now. Yes, on the 4-hour chart, the reverse is the case. Is saying that it may be when the market opens, maybe they might sell this news. They might sell the news because you can see here they've been buying the anticipation. They've been buying the rumor. They've been buying the anticipation since Tuesday the 25th. So this is how many days now? This is so far the sixth session of momentum. Yeah, you can see that momentum started, yeah, 6 days of strong momentum. It has actually started to decay now. Yeah, they're saying that they're going to sell it going into the midday of tomorrow, the 4th, and then after that, maybe it might resume. What are the odds that this will be the case? The 40 period moving average is expected to keep rising as well to serve as a support. Okay, the algos are saying that yes, it's going to decay. Yeah, it's going to decay. Let's see now. It's saying that yeah, momentum is going to continue to decay and maybe pick up again from the 4th of December, but not as strong as it was when this anticipation started to build. Yeah, or rather on the not as strong as the anticipation phase, not as strong as it. Yeah, projections here are saying nothing to the upside as well, but that's not a problem. There's ample room to the upside. You know, our concern here is it's not really a concern, but I think it's logical. Let's see here. Before now, this the market hasn't opened yet, so these figures are not were based on yesterday's trading session. You can see here option traders are strongly bearish. They are leaning heavily on the bearish side. You can see here these five values here tells you everything. You don't by the time you add up all of everything that's open here on the call side, surely they won't reach they will be nowhere close to the value, the sum of all these four values, four figures here. So but I think it's not out of place, because we can clearly see here the algos are saying that it's going to contract, but the problem is it's not it's going to, yeah, contract. They're going to sell this news. But the problem is that these are expiring on the 19th. Okay, they're expiring on the 19th, but it doesn't have to be that. It doesn't have to be that. They could still be betting that even with this news, surely some selling is going to occur. And as things stand right now, it has not occurred yet. So if the selling occurs, then they might be right. They might be right. But if it doesn't occur, if it holds this gain, yeah, still good. But it could still it's yeah, it is ripe for a pullback. It's ripe for a pullback. It has already happened once, but got a bounce on its from its 40 period moving average. But it's important that we see what's going on, on the option speed as things stand right now. So not a lot of shares have crossed the tape, and that tells you that that halt that happened may have been as a result of illiquidity. Yeah, liquidity problems. Yeah, not a problem, but just tiny volumes chasing tiny volumes chasing the price. Yeah, that may have been what happened. You can see here intraday high 7.82. Yeah. So far, I think it's been stalled, still stalled. I think still stalled. Nothing's going on. Okay, you can see. Yeah, you can see there's a spread here. There's a 10-cent spread here. That's surely the stuff of poor liquidity. Okay, so the stock is currently trending right now. Let's see how it goes, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.